Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something super valuable if you work with Google Sheets, how to lock cells and sheets like a pro. Whether you're managing a team project, sharing reports, or just trying to keep certain formulas safe from accidental edits, knowing how to lock down your data gives you total peace of mind. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently protect any part of your Google Sheet, choosing exactly who has permission to make changes and who can only view. Trust me, your future self and your collaborators will thank you. Let's get right into it. If you're already logged into your Gmail account, you're in the perfect spot to start. Take a look at the very top right corner of your Gmail window. You'll see a little grid icon, those famous 9 dots that Google uses for quick access to all their apps. Go ahead and click that grid. If you've never noticed those dots before, they're like your shortcut portal to everything Google, including Sheets. Once the app menu pops up, scroll through and find the Google Sheets icon. Click on it and you'll be whisked off to your list of spreadsheets. Open up the sheet you want to protect or start a new one if you're practicing along with me. Now let's say you have a budget sheet and you want to make sure no one accidentally changes your total calculation at the bottom. First, click and drag to select the specific cells you want to lock. Be precise here, you can choose anything from a single cell to an entire range. Maybe you just want to protect a few key numbers or complex formulas that shouldn't be touched. Next, take your mouse down and instead of right-clicking the actual cell, right-click on the name of the sheet itself at the very bottom of the screen. A menu will pop up. From here, select Protect Sheet. This is your gateway to controlling what can and can't be changed. When you do this, a panel appears on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. If you only want to lock certain cells rather than the entire sheet, you can click on Range in this sidebar. It allows you to specify the exact section you want to keep safe. After you've picked your range, click Set Permissions. Here, where you get to decide who can edit these cells. If you want total control, just select Only You. This means you're the only one who can make changes, no matter how many people have access to the sheet. If you're collaborating and want to allow only specific people to edit, maybe a teammate or two, you can use the custom option to pick exactly who gets editing power. For those situations where you don't want to completely block edits but still want a heads up if someone tries to change something, select the option to show a warning when editing this range. This is like putting up a friendly yield sign, giving others a chance to double-check before they make a change. Once you've set things just the way you want, click Done, and you're all set. If it's your first time, don't worry, this might feel a little technical, but it gets much easier each time you do it. And that's it, now you know how to lock cells and sheets in Google Sheets like an expert. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I love hearing how you're using these features. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.